Google Meet is a video conferencing solution that's designed for businesses. Initially, you will need a G Suite account to use this service. However, right now it is free to use for everyone. Although this is a solid performing platform, there are instances when certain issues can occur. In this short video tutorial, we will tackle the Google Meet webcam not working problem. Make sure Google Meet is given permission to use the camera. Sometimes this problem can be caused because Google Meet is not given permission to use the camera. You might have clicked block when the permission pop-up appears. Here's what you need to do when using the Chrome browser. Open the Google Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on its icon from the Start menu list of applications. Click on More. This is the 3 vertical dots on the upper right side of the browser. Click on Settings. This will open the Settings window. Click on Privacy and Security. This can be found at the left pane. Click on Side Settings. This can be found at the right pane. Click on Camera. This can be found on the right pane. Click on the forward arrow located after Google Meet. This will open the permission settings. Make sure that Allow is chosen on the camera drop-down box. This gives me permission to use the camera. Make sure Windows 10 can detect the camera. The next thing you will need to do is to make sure that your computer can detect the camera. If it can't, then you won't be able to use it. Click on the Start button. Click on Camera. Click on the Take Video button and record a few seconds of video. You can tell if it is working if you are able to play back the video. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell.